Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever the hell you're watching this from. Just hope you're having a good day. My hair is soaking wet and I'm going in to get my nails done right now. Well, I have my nail appointment again for another like 2 weeks. We're low on diesel. Surprise, surprise. I'm getting my nails done again in another like 2.5 weeks. But I've lost like 3 nails this month. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to flip these off. I don't know why I've lost so many. I was talking to my nail technician and she was like, just come in and we'll fix them for you. So that's what I'm doing now. And my hair is wet because I still have to dry it. Yeah, I don't know. I haven't vlogged in like a few days because I took a few days off work. I had my procedure done, which I'll talk to you guys a little bit about. I don't want to go into like too much detail because like I said, I have like a dedicated video. Sorry, I'm just trying to find some tunes to listen to. I want to do like a dedicated video on it because I had like this whole like built up thing in my head how like, I don't know, scary this was all going to be, and then when I went in and did it, it was actually not too bad. Surprise, surprise. But it was just a little bit daunting, and the whole like legs up in the air stirrups kind of thing was a bit weird. It's basically a camera looking at your cervix. Pleasant, you could say. That's what I was doing yesterday in Hollow Street, getting cameras looking at me. Hey Ollie.
Well, you're getting your nails done.
I'm going to get my nails done.
Do you want to collect me after you're done?
I sure can.
Okay, great. Okay.
Okay, see you then. Okay, so Ollie rang me and then my eyebrow appointment called me, and I'm actually so, like, I'm magic. Because I was like to mom, I was like, I'm going into town. I said I can pick up Ollie on my way back from her apartment and bring her home because she wants to come home for a few days. And then she called me. And then earlier on I was saying, oh god, my eyebrow appointment is at 1 o'clock and I'm getting my nails done now, and my nails are going to be all done and dusted in like half an hour. And I was like, so I have to kind of wait around till 1, which is another hour. Like, it's not a big deal, but I have to wait around till 1 to get my eyebrows done. And my eyebrow girl just called me and she's like, can I move your appointment to 12? So that is like the universe working at its best, which means I get home earlier, I can edit a video, upload it, and then I am gonna be like just ahead of time for everything and go home early with sister in tow. I went into Victoria's Secret yesterday actually, and I got really cute underwear and a little bralette, which I'll show you later. And then I went into Rituals. I love Rituals, love it. I dragged my boyfriend in there into Dundrum, like into Rituals in Dundrum, and he was like, I need to not be in here. So I went in yesterday with my mom and I picked up their body lotion. I love the Rituals of Shakura. That's my favorite. It's like the rice milk and cherry blossom, I think it is, and it just smells amazing. So I got the body scrub, the body foaming gel, and I got the body moisturizer, which I absolutely love the smell of. They're amazing. I've had, I think the spray, the hair and body spray before, which I love as well. And I just think like I always loved the Victoria's Secrets for years, like any of the ones. So the Warm and Cozy is my favorite scent. So I used to always have like the little body wash, the body scrub, or kind of, it was like a little light exfoliator, the moisturizer and stuff, and I just love the smell of it because it's so sweet. But I just felt like for this one, it's just like a little bit more mature smelling. So I love Rituals. If you've never been into Rituals, just go in and just smell it. And the girls are so nice in the one on Grafton Street. Get totally sidetracked. Hospital appointment yesterday went well. I was a little bit like uncomfortable because they took a biopsy, so obviously they took up a little bit of tissue, and then they kind of gave you like a list of things that you can't do for a few days. So I can't go swimming, take baths, use certain things and do certain things. So, and I was on painkillers yesterday, but I wasn't too bad. Like, you know the way you're taking painkillers because you're just like, I'm afraid if I don't take these, like the pain's gonna come and it's gonna be excruciating, whereas it actually wasn't too bad. It was just uncomfortable. It just felt like a bit of pressure. That's all I can describe it as. It wasn't like an intense stinging pain or like a pain or dull pain or anything like that. It was just kind of like pressure, like if you have your period, like that kind of like period cramps. I know some of you are kind of like lost about what the hell I'm talking about, and if you haven't watched my vlogs, you definitely will be lost. So that is why I'm going to do a total detailed video all about my smear, and then just talking about like the biopsy and stuff, because it is going to be a little bit more informative, and I think it's very important because it's something that we go through. Like 7 in 10 women apparently get like abnormal smear results. So I just think that's important to kind of talk about, because I was panicking unnecessarily for like what was to come, and I had no idea what was to come, and I was trying to find videos on YouTube of anybody who had done or gone through this, and I couldn't find anything to put me at ease. Like all I was getting like was doctors and stuff like that, and I was like, this is not going to put me at ease. But I did find one video from one girl, and she was a UK blogger, and she was actually really, really helpful. But it was one video, and I kind of wanted, not that I needed more information, but I just kind of wanted to hear like real life experiences, because if you go onto Dr. Google, you're just gonna die. So don't do that. So I am so on point today. Like I am right on time for this appointment. This is amazing. And like I said, generally I'm always late for everything. I have this dirty rotten spot like right here, and it's making my chin look real pointy, and it hurts so bad. Stupid spots. I really don't need this. I don't need it right now. I'm going to the Laughter Lounge tomorrow night with my boyfriend in town, and I'm so excited. We got tickets to go, and I've never been before, and I'm really, really, really looking forward to it. I think he's been a few times. I know like big Irish comedians have been in there. Like I think Tommy Tiernan's been in there a few times as well, and I'm really excited to go. So we're going there tomorrow night, and then we're going for like drinks and stuff. I don't think we're going clubbing. I did ask him that, and he was like nah, because we're going for brunch on Sunday morning. I have a lie-in. I haven't had a lie-in with them like in ages, because we've just been really, really busy, and like every morning it's like, right, get up, go, it's time to do this and we have to do that. This weekend we're just kind of having like a nice little chilled weekend. Right, I am at my nail appointment now, so guys, I will talk to you later. Okay, nails are done. Hair is still an absolute hot mess, and now it's drying, so I'm gonna have to like wet it when I get home and dry it properly. But I have my nails done, so I got this one done, obviously that one and that one, so I'm much happier now. Now it's off to go and get the brows did. Looking great. Haha. I'll have my new brows in no time. I just got home to a very brightly coloured package, and I just opened it just to have a little peek to see who it was from, and it's from Catrice. So Catrice sent me out some of their new products. This is obviously their new autumn line that's coming out, so they have a list of products here. These are all the prices of the products, because obviously I don't know all of the prices, so if there's anything that you see that you like, there's the prices right there. This is their autumn winter 19 collection, and these are some of the promo pics that they sent. Hang on now. Ooh, I'm so bad with one hand. So this is what everything looks like. So these are all the new products that are coming out. Some of their illuminating glow palettes, blush box glowing and multicolor. Then they have new lashes. How interesting. And new eyeshadows. This is the Rust one, a brow comb micro pen, and then some more nail polishes, glosses, lip products, lipsticks, mascaras, and a Calligraphy Pro Precise HD matte liner and waterproof. That looks really nice. So that's what they sent me. These are the products, which they are very nicely packaged in this little bag. I love these little bags. I actually put makeup in these to give to like family members and stuff. I just throw a little makeup in them because the bags are really handy. So they sent me out this mascara, Iconista, and that's what the wand looks like. Oh, it's so teeny tiny. It's waterproof, so I don't know how I feel about that, but sure, we'll give it a go. Some lipsticks that they sent me. I hate trying to do these things with one hand, and I insist on doing it with one hand. Ooh, look at that. That's really matte. You can see like how matte the colour actually is. Like it's super matte. I think I'm after dinging it with my nail. Good work, Aisling. Oh, that's a really nice colour. It's like a rose kind of colour. Very pretty. These are like their lip balms. I really like these actually. They're almost sheer. They're really comfortable to wear on the lips and just add a tiny tint. Love these lip glosses. The way that they go on your lips, they're just really good. I think Catrice sent them out to me in the past before. Then they have this Illuminance eye palette. So that's what that looks like. That looks really pretty. Ooh, I'm interested in this. This is a new primer that they have, and it has like 10 different properties in, or 10 different things that it does. It is called the Tensational 10-in-1 Dream Primer. Can't wait to try that. I'll definitely give that a go. Some of their lashes. These are really nice, simple lash for an everyday look, I think. The brow stylist thing. I've used this before. It has like a comb in it, and I don't particularly like it, but sure, I'll give it a go again and see. Maybe I've changed my mind. And then this is the blusher. This is really pretty. So it's like it looks like a mosaic, and it's in the shade, it's Wine O'Clock. Love the name of that. Also, when I was out, a Beauty Bay order arrived with 2 of my favorite lashes ever. These are the apple sours from Unicorn Lashes. They're so pretty. They're absolutely gorgeous. My favorite lashes. These are House of Lashes Allure Light. Both these lashes are probably the only thing I wear other than them Deals lashes, which I really like, the Jessica Wright ones, but these are basically like all I wear all the time. I just think they're the most prettiest lashes ever. So if you are looking for new lashes, I'll link both of them in the description bar below because I highly rate them. Final package that arrived was from Inglot. This arrived actually yesterday, I think, but I wasn't vlogging, so I'll show you what it looks like, or what the products look like that got sent to me. So they have brand new products that came out. This is the end of summer new arrivals. So they have the illuminating face mists that came out, glow on highlighters, 8 mini lip stains, and 10 mini HD foundations, which I actually think are great. The HD foundations are amazing. And then they've mini Inglot lab travel sets, and then it just shows you kind of what's coming. So they have plumping volumizing lip glosses coming out. They've also new face and body bronzers coming, and 4 new shades of blusher, so that's exciting. So these are like the little products that they sent me. So they obviously sent me out the travel size. This is the number 1. It has a face oil in it, a night face cream, a day face cream, and a micellar water. And it would be very handy, like if you're going on holidays or something, you don't want to bring like a huge amount of skincare with you, you just want to bring little travel size products. So I think that they look great. I must give them a try and actually tell you what I think. They sent me out I keep shaking this up because I just think it looks cool. It's the illuminating face and body mist. So it looks like that, you can see, and when it settles, well, when I opened this, it looked like water, so you have to shake it up, and then it looks like all this like illuminating stuff in it. Like, it looks really nice. So you'd obviously spray that on your body or onto your face if you want a bit of illuminator. Very handy to have the little mini HD foundations. So these are obviously, like I said, mini versions. There's 10 mils in them. No, there's 8 mils. So they're like, we'll say like 1/3, just a little bit under 1/3 of the size of a standard bottle, which is great again for travel, if you're going on holidays, or you know, if you're just going like anywhere, if you're staying overnight. Like for me, packing a huge amount of makeup when I go to stay in my boyfriend's house is just ridiculous. So I try and avoid packing too much makeup. Actually, I don't even wear makeup when I'm around him, really, to be honest. But if I was going on a night out, like we go out like every now and again, I usually like bringing small foundations. So these are great because I can bring them with me. I'm number 76, just if you're wondering, and 77 if I do wear. And they're so kind to send me out a brand new bottle of my HD foundation. I'm actually all out of this. I haven't restocked this in a while because I've been enjoying their other foundation that they have out. I can't remember the name of it, but it's a more lightweight foundation. It's lovely for the summer, but this is definitely like full BS makeup foundation, and I love this. So it's in the number 76. That's the shade I've always worn, and it's just my perfect shade if I'm a little bit more tanned. Like now I have like my natural tan, doesn't look like I'm really tanned, but I am a little bit more sallow in the summer, obviously, because I get to see the sun. In the winter time I go a lot paler, so this kind of suits me a little bit more in the winter months, and then I just bronze it up for the summertime, or I can mix in a darker foundation. I adore these. So they sent me out one of their face and body illuminators. I absolutely love these. They're called the Sparkle Dust Face, Eyes and Body, and just the glitterness of this, it's beautiful. I use this like all over my body in the summer months. I have, I think, nearly every shade. I don't think I had number 2 actually. I have number 1, and then I have a more bronzy shade. I think it's like 3 or 4. And I just love putting this on my collarbones and just all over my face in the summer. So thank you for that. So they sent me out these highlighters, these new glow on highlighters. I'm really excited to try these. I'm actually getting so into like more cream based products, like cream bronzers and cream highlights and stuff. I hope that's in focus for you. So I'm dying to give these a try on my face. I'll just swatch them for you now. Oh wow, they're so pretty. Oh my god, love them. Can't wait to try them out on my face or on my body or wherever you want to put them. They're so pretty. Sent me out an all-in-one eye cream, and then the under eye concealer, which I absolutely adore. I've used this for ages. My favorite under eye concealer. It looks really pale, but it is number 95. It's the one I've used forever, and it just suits me perfectly. It looks really pale for some reason on camera, but it is amazing. This works miracles. Like, this was the product I used before I discovered Tarte Shape Tape or anything like that. It's just so good. And like, I've never used this eye cream, but I will give it a go. Final things they sent me were their little mini lipsticks. So they got mini lipsticks out this summer. Again, handy to have for the summer months, especially if you're going traveling and you don't want to bring like a huge amount of makeup products with you on holidays, or like even if you're going down the country or wherever you're going on your little trip away. So these are going to come in quite handy, and like I said, they sent me 3, so I'll show you the colours. Guys, look how dinky they are. They're so cute. I love these. They sent me out 3 colours. They sent me out 310, 309 and 331. So from left to right, that's 310, 309 and 331. They're lovely shades. So we've kind of like some more nudes. Let's see, can I get a good image of them, a good visual on them. They're very nude, but they're so pretty. So there's 310, 309 and 331. Gorgeous shades. I really, really like them. I love the middle one, 309, the best, I think, but 310 is really pretty too, and they're all matte. Guys, I thought I'd show you before I actually get ready and leave, because I need to actually get my act like together, and I need to get everything ready and sorted and go. I thought I would show you the stuff that I got in Rituals. I picked this stuff up yesterday when I was in town, because obviously I wanted to make myself feel a little bit better after all the ordeal that I'd been through. And I went in and picked up the Ritual of Shakura, this kind of range. I like this one the best. I first tried this in my friend Ruth's house not so long ago, and she had all this in her shower and stuff, and I just really like the smell of it. So I got the body foaming gel, which is absolutely gorgeous. This is what it looks like. And then I ended up picking up this, which was the shower scrub, or the body scrub rather. So what I do with this is I will apply this in the shower, like scrub my body in the shower with this, and then when I get out of the shower, and to make me smell even nicer, I will use the Magic Touch body cream, which smells divine. So they're the 3 things that I picked up there. And then my mum got a body lotion as well. She got one that I can't remember what the one she got, but it's in a red bottle. And because we spent a certain amount of money, we ended up getting these products, which are their kitchen. It's like a soap and then a body lotion. Sorry, it's a hand wash and a hand balm. So we ended up getting them together because we ended up spending enough money in there to get them together. So I'm actually really excited to use all them products, because I just think that they're so nice. I didn't know that they sent me these shampoo and a conditioner as well. They sent me them. I bought these. I'm so used to saying, oh, I got sent this, I got sent this. I actually buy things as well, but this shampoo and conditioner is in there. I might give them a try and see what they're like, actually, because that might be something nice to try in the shower next time I shower. Anyway guys, I think I'm going to end today's vlog right here, because I am just rambling and showing you more products, and I need to get myself sorted to go to spend the weekend over with my boyfriend. We're going to the Laughter Lounge, I think I mentioned that already, on Saturday night. And what else are we doing? I don't know if we've any like major plans. His championship football starts today, so I'm going to go to see his first match. And yeah, I think that's basically it. So I think the next time we'll talk to you will be like Monday or Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll talk to all you in my next one. Mwah. Bye guys.